Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're going to make shrimp cones with a nice slaw to either put on top or to keep on the side and enjoy as a salad. Ingredients are in the description box below and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. Let's start marinating the shrimp, and it's best if you use fresh shrimp if you want the best results. I've put in 2 heaped teaspoons of my homemade Cajun seasoning, and you can buy store-bought Cajun seasoning, or better yet, learn how to make your own by watching the video in the link above and in the description box. I've also added a pinch of salt and a pinch of garlic powder and a pinch of black pepper. Then I'm adding in some lime peels, and if you don't have that, you can use lemon peels, that's okay. Then some minced garlic and the juice of a lime or a lemon. Finally, I'm adding in some olive oil and mixing it all up and letting it rest while I work on prepping the other ingredients. For the sauce, I'm going to mix up a tablespoon of kewpie mayo, which you can easily substitute with regular mayo if you don't have that. Mix it up with 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of crushed chili flakes, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To thin out the sauce and add in some tang, I'm mixing a giant tablespoon of yogurt in, and after giving it a taste, I decided I needed a bit more tanginess, so I added in some lime peel, lime juice, and an extra pinch of salt. Now, moving on to the cabbage slaw. I'll mix up some shredded red cabbage, some shredded white cabbage, and some thinly sliced carrots, and I'm also adding in some finely chopped coriander and thinly sliced red onions. Then I'm adding in some sugar and apple cider vinegar. I also realized I have a lot of lime peels still left over, so I decided to add that in. I tried to give it all a mix in one bowl, but it was too small, so I had to split the mix in order not to make any more of a mess in the kitchen. After giving it a taste, I did end up adding a bit more apple cider vinegar so the slaw will pickle a bit, and some black pepper as well. Now in a pan on medium-high heat, I'm going to add in a bit of chopped white onions and a bit of garlic, not too much because the shrimp already has garlic mixed in with it. I also had the time to make some chopped tomato and onion salad that I'm showing you here. But anyway, back to the pan. I'll add in the shrimps and sear them on one side and then flip them over until they're fully cooked, and then set them aside. Now all I have left to do is start making the tortilla cones by cutting the tortilla in half and rolling it up, then filling it with the slaw at the bottom, and then topping it with some sauce. And if you'd like to add in the tomato and chopped onion salad or an avocado, you can do that. In hindsight, I do think what I should have done is chop up the cooked shrimp into small bits and mix it with the slaw and with more sauce, and then stuff all of that into the tortilla rolls. It would have been better distributed if I had done it that way, but hopefully you can do a better job than I did now that you know what works better. These look great, they taste great, and they don't require a lot of cooking time, so it's perfect if you're hosting a gathering or a party, and that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye!